What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a wheel cleaner using cleaning vinegar and baking soda. So how it works, basically baking soda is a base powder and vinegar is an acidic solution. So basically when we mix them together, they neutralize each other, so it's not gonna affect the surface finish on your wheels. So I'm gonna put some baking soda in here, and then I'm gonna add some cleaning vinegar, and then we're gonna see it foam up, and then we're gonna test it on the wheel and see if it really works or not. So now we'll add the vinegar. Sweet. Okay, so here I have a 2015 Toyota Sienna with a very dirty wheel full of brake dust and dirt and debris. So my spray bottle apparently didn't work. Maybe the solution is too thick. So what I did, I put it here in this cup. So I'm gonna apply it with the brush right here, and we'll see how it works. I'm just scrubbing very lightly. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna pour some right here. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it off. Check that out. Look at the difference between this and this. Okay, so I'm gonna finish cleaning up this wheel and I'll show you guys the final results. Once again, very minimal effort. Works pretty good. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I used the solution, scrubbed it a little bit, rinsed it, dried it out, and it looks really clean. Let me know what you think of this product in the comment section. Let me know if you don't like it, if you have any objection on it. So it's a car life hack, and I like how it turned out, so why not? Okay, and I also have my Mercedes right here, and this wheel is really nasty, and if you can tell, this wheel is really, and this dirt is really stubborn. So but when I applied this solution on it, it comes off really easy, like nothing. A little more. And wipe it off. I think the results are really good. I'm gonna give this solution a pass on the wheels. And if you're so afraid that's gonna damage the finish of your wheels, maybe you can wax them after you clean them up, and then just maintain them, clean them every week or so they don't get as dirty as mine. This one is really bad. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.